Hi, today we are going to deal with something that relates to majority of the population, engineering. This is Silbia and welcome to Meme Review. Okay, let's jump to the first one. Engineers in Viva be like. How else would you answer a Viva question? Okay, Mr. Silbiat. What is Kirchhoff's voltage law? Sir, Kirchhoff's voltage law states that, sir, actually, yes, sir, Kirchhoff's voltage, sir, but yet, sir, actually, sir, what na Kirchhoff's voltage law, sir, Kirchhoff's voltage law, sir, that only, sir, Kirchhoff's voltage law, sir, yes, sir, no, sir, yes, If you blindly throw a stone in India, it will either hit a stray dog or an engineering student. Oh my god, so relatable, so true. You're an engineer, you get to be an engineer, he's an engineer, she's an engineer, they are all engineers, I'm an engineer. Why are there so many engineers? Your family members will not consider you an engineer unless you repair any of the home appliances. This is so true. Every time your mom or dad, they come to you and they tell you to fix something, and just because you are an engineer, it doesn't matter if you're mechanical, civil or computer science or EC, whatever, you're an engineer, you should be able to fix everything, na? Bata, the TV is not working, beta, go see why. I can't fix that, yeah, it's not working, call a guy or something. Hey, 15 lakhs, I spent 15 lakhs for your engineering, you can't fix a TV, yeah? 15 lakhs I spent. Always talking like this. For in engineering, they're teaching this stuff only. First year they taught us how to flush the toilet. Second year they taught us how to fix a light bulb. Third year they taught us how to fill petrol in the car. Fourth year they taught us how to shut down the computer. 15 lakhs I spent, always making excuses. Do what you love after you become an engineer. Yeah, we can't blame our parents for thinking this way because they feel like this is a safe position. Well, you would be doing what you actually love if you had the balls to convince your own parents on what you actually like and what you'd actually want to do. I'm an EC engineer and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of my I'm proud of my choices. I like EC. Stop looking at Oh, the generic villain dad face, villain dad head, villain dad bald head, villain dad specs, villain dad mustache, villain dad posture. And like I said, you can choose whatever field you want unless your parents actually chose it for you and you actually do what your parents tell you to, and if you screw it up, they think you're a loser. Beta, I hear your CGPA is 6.5, beta. Yeah, dad, so what? This is why I spent 15 lakhs, beta. Dad, CGPA doesn't matter. You could easily get a job with just the right attitude. Oh, beta. You know why I call you beta? Yeah. Beta is a Hindi word for son. I'm your son, which is quite obvious. No, beta. I call you beta because you're just the beta version. So many flaws, just the beta version. That beta version comes before the actual one. Who said you're the final product, beta? Your mother and I are already investing on another one. Just wait 9 months, the product will launch. Hey dad, yes beta? Pooh. The night before an exam, YouTube tutorials by me. Oh my god, that is so true. You know, more than the actual content of the video, the actual lesson in that video, what you'd most frequently hear is, hello friends, welcome to my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications on my latest videos. Do you know why most of the engineering students and professors make these tutorial videos? Because they know how classes are taught. They know that every engineer would go on to YouTube just the night before an exam and look for whatever the syllabus is. They know that it is a very, very, very popular niche, and they get all the subscribers, they get all the views, they get all the likes, they get all the comments, they get all the love. Everybody wants to be a YouTuber. Wow. Don't look at me. Okay, the next one. Age 6, I want to be a pilot. Age 12, I want to be a soldier. Age 18, I will try engineering. Age 24, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. What? I'm only 21. So realistic. So realistic. I do it because I love YouTube, not because I'm scared. I'm not scared. You see, it's a wonderful subject. I will get a job someday. Okay. During engineering, after engineering. You know what? No. This is not funny. This is actually quite serious. This is the problem with the society. Just because you make less money compared to others doesn't mean you should be unhappy. I mean, yeah, there are two ways. You take it positively, like you say, this isn't what I wanted to do something else. So you take it as a motivational factor and you strive to not be what you are at that moment. But then if you take it in the negative way, you end up hating your life. You end up hating your parents for forcing you into that life. So my point is, doesn't matter if you're doing engineering now, if you're doing something that you don't enjoy, well, just get over it. Just okay, drop it if you want, but eventually you will find something that you love, and eventually you will find that X factor or whatever. Hey, I'm an engineer. I'm actually quite fond of it, and I'm trying this YouTube channel to see where it goes. Today it may be fine, but tomorrow it may completely flop. But that doesn't mean that's the end. There are a lot of things you could do, a lot of ventures you can take up. So my point is, Beta, still you are doing that YouTube. Hey, go study, man. And 2 days your semesters. I paid 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs. So 2 days semester, you are still doing YouTube. Hey, go, man. Yes, Dad. Yeah, bye.